Hey guys, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you how to remove the dating shortcut on Facebook. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So let's go ahead and start the tutorial. On your smartphone, open the Facebook app. So this is the dating shortcut. So the way to remove that is very easy. First, click this three lines icon. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down till you see the tab bar. Now tap on it. After that, select the customized bar. As you can see, dating is pinned on your navigation bar. Now to remove it, just click this drop down menu. Then from pin, you have to change it to auto. So that will remove the dating shortcut from the navigation bar. When you go back, you will no longer see the dating shortcut. So that's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe. That will be a big help for us to create more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.